The Toyota GR Yaris has already earned its reputation as a rally-bred hot hatch, offering a thrilling driving experience that blends performance with practicality. But for those who believe the GR Yaris could be even more aggressive, tuners are answering the call with jaw-dropping modifications. One such example is Result Japan's latest Widebody kit, which takes the GR Yaris' already bold styling to a whole new level of wild. At first glance, this custom Widebody GR Yaris looks like something out of a digital render, a work of art made for the virtual world. However, the car is very much real, and it's hard to miss. The standout feature of this build is the ultra-wide fenders, which dramatically reshape the car's three-door hatchback profile. These aren't your typical subtle fender flares. The front fenders are extended by 90 mm, and the rear fenders by an eye-watering 130 mm, giving the Yaris a stance more reminiscent of a supercar than a hot hatch. The Widebody kit doesn't stop there. Beyond the fenders, the package includes a large front splitter that cuts through the air, enhancing the car's aggressive stance. The vented hood further complements the fierce look, while the aggressive side skirts seamlessly match the widened proportions of the car. The GR Yaris is now lower, wider, and sportier than ever before. From the rear, the transformation becomes even more striking. A half-spoiler connects to a GT-style wing, amplifying the car's time attack racer vibes. The rear bumper isn't just for show, either. It's equipped with additional cooling intakes, making the car look even more purposeful. Meanwhile, a new diffuser with aerodynamic extensions optimizes airflow, further enhancing the car's performance at high speeds. But perhaps the most exciting detail is the custom exhaust system, which features quad tailpipes with a burnished effect. Additional pipes even protrude through holes in the rear bumper, giving the car a truly unique look. While it's unclear if these additional pipes serve a functional purpose, they certainly boost the car's head-turning appeal. The exhaust note is nothing short of wild, adding to the car's aggressive aesthetic. It's important to note, however, that this custom exhaust system, along with the aftermarket alloy wheels, is not included in the commercially available body kit. Result Japan debuted this incredible GR Yaris build at the recent Tokyo Auto Salon, where it shared the spotlight with Toyota Gazoo Racing's mid-engine GR Yaris prototype. The presence of both vehicles together raised an interesting question: could this body kit work on the mid-engine GR Yaris prototype as well? Given the massive rear wing, the wider track, and the additional cooling intakes, it's easy to imagine a hyper-hatch version of the GR Yaris, made even more capable by this enhanced aerodynamics package. For those interested in adding this Widebody kit to their own GR Yaris, it's available for order now, with shipments expected to begin between March and April 2025. The basic kit is priced at 594,000 yen, $3,800, but optional extras such as the vented hood, 99,000 yen $630, eyelids, 13,200 yen $85, and the GT-style rear wing, 198,000 yen $1,300, will cost you more. The price for the wheels and exhaust remains undisclosed. Installation is strongly recommended to be handled by professionals to ensure the best results. While the Widebody kit was designed for the facelift GR Yaris, the demo car that was displayed at the Tokyo Auto Salon was actually based on a modified pre-facelift 2021 model. This means that the visual upgrades are compatible with all versions of the GR Yaris, provided they're paired with the facelift front bumper. For those who prefer a more subtle approach, Result Japan also offers a less aggressive version of the kit without the wide fenders, as well as an alternative rear wing option. The Toyota GR Yaris, known for its rally-inspired performance, now has an even wilder, more aggressive look, thanks to Result Japan's Widebody kit. Whether you're looking to take your GR Yaris to the next level or simply appreciate standout automotive design, this kit is a must-see.